This is a financial literacy fair that is sponsored by EdFed. And it's a great opportunity for our 9th graders who are just coming in to really get introduced into the importance of financial literacy.
It's basically a very big and fun event where we transport the students years into the future, where they have a spouse and kids, or maybe not have kids. And they have to go ahead and manage their monthly budget together as a family.
They love seeing what their scenario is going to be, because that's how they kind of talk to their friends. Well, you know, I'm a lawyer, and they'll go, well, I'm a plumber. And it's to make them understand that it doesn't matter what their career choice is, it's how they budget their money. That's the real lesson here.
The students come up to each merchant and they have in mind, okay, I need to stick to my budget. So what the merchants are going to do, they're trying to upsell them in a way that they're spending more money.
From a vendor's perspective, I'm upselling them, trying to persuade them into buying the most expensive car.
So kind of testing their logic and testing their decision-making skills and making sure, are you going to stay on budget or are you going to go broke?
They want to buy the fancy house, they want to get the fancy car, but then they're looking at what they have to work with and realize that it's not as easy as they think it is.
It's always a great turnout. Everybody loves it. They love the experience and what it teaches them.
So thank you, EdFed, for allowing us to do this.